Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your September love forecast for Scorpios. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Scorpio, this reading is for you. If you know a Scorpio, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like this video, friends. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, if you join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And if you want to watch the Hindi Urdu versions of these readings, I will not take that, friends, because I was just randomly shuffling them so that we can start the reading. And if you want to watch the Hindi Urdu versions, you can go to our other channel, Magic Vents Tarot Hindi Urdu. So you can also subscribe there, friends. So let's see what's the theme for you Scorpios for the month of September. I can't believe we are into September. Let's see. We will be going into September, but this year has been like crazy. How are you, Scorpios? How are you? I hope you are doing well. Let's see what's the theme of the month for Scorpios. The theme of the month for Scorpios for September 2020. Wow, the thinking man. Oh my god, the man holding a heart. Oh my god. Hot lovey-dovey month is coming for you. Look at this. If that wasn't a confirmation, Archangel Samuel is here. The angel of love, the third chakra. Oh my god. Caring connections. This is amazing. I totally love it. I love when readings are like this. When they start on this boom bang, like vroom vroom. Nice. Action. Wow. I see some happy action coming your way, Scorpios. Congratulations. So what's the I think everything has been said in these cards. What's going to happen? The theme of the month for you Scorpios is love. Is love, love, love and love and love and knowledge. Yes. I see like you will be working to getting learn something new in the month of September beside love. I don't see you doing anything else beside love, but yeah, you will be still. So definitely, I see you getting focused on a lot of other things in life, getting learning new things in life, and things that excite you, things that make you feel happy in life. Perhaps you will join a new course, or you will learn some. You will feel very excited about a career progress or something. So you will be studying, learning something new. You will be feeling very happy and content, and life will be moving forward for you, or you will try to take life forward. Your life forward in the month of in the month of September, Scorpios. Definitely forward momentum. Number 17, 8, the month of Saturn, like the number 17 is like for Saturn. So actions you want to take forward, things forward in all areas of your life. I also feel like romance is a big theme for you. Who do you love? Who loves you? Whom you love? All those things are on your mind. Someone definitely, if you are, no matter what is your status, single, coupled up, or in a situation, love is coming your way. Someone is absolutely drooling over you. Look at this. Someone is like literally lusting after you. I think that's the word. Yeah, they are lusting after you, or you could be lusting, Scorpios, after someone. Definitely, someone is also thinking about you in the month of September. Relationships are the main focus for you in the month of September, or who loves you, why they love you, what is love, what is the deeper meanings of love, You might also be getting choices in love, caring connections. Someone might propose you. Some of you could be getting married, or you could be meeting like new lovers or something. We'll look into the detail, but don't worry. So definitely there is this energy of caring connections. I wanted one or two cards, but look at this. The entire spread is here. Caring connections. So Scorpios, this is the theme for you. Like love is the theme for you. I'm keeping them here because I think I am going to need them. Let's see what's going to happen in your relationship, Scorpio, in September. Scorpios, their relationship in September. Okay, the Judgment. Wow, that's interesting. Messages are coming your way, important messages. Ace of Swords, breakthroughs, communications, new starts. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel you are dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Nine of Cups, look at this. Oh my God, Scorpios, are you ready for a party in September? I am surely joining you all because, like, I think you have the best month here, and who won't want this month, with you? A party here, a celebration, a love. Nine of rods, okay. Nine of cups, nine of rods. What's happening in Scorpio's relationship? I'll take this because it has fallen face up. Scorpios, their relationship. I will take it. Let me just shuffle them. Wow, Six of Cups. Scorpio's relationship, angels. King of Rods. See, I was refusing the Rods card earlier, the Page of Rods. Look, the King of Rods showed up. Thank you, angels. Okay. Anything else happening for Scorpios? Wow. Wow. I feel like this month, September, is going to be very, very important for your relationships. It is like you are either going to fall deeply in love with a person, or someone is going to commit or propose to you. This is a major, major month for you, Scorpio. So I would suggest you to save this reading and come back to it and confirm it, or like watch it a few times to get deeper meaning from this. I definitely feel there is a situation which is like, let me take a clarifier here and just clarify the Judgment. Yeah, there is a situation or a relationship which is stuck, it is not moving forward right now, and you are feeling a little upset about it. But in September, I see that communications, maybe you are in no communication with a person, things are not going well. There is a person who loves you, but they are thinking too much, not acting enough. But in September, right at the start of September, they are going to message you important messages not only from the person, but also from the universe are coming to you. Progress will happen in relationships, or you will be waiting for a person to meet you or contact you or see you in the month of September, definitely. And I also feel if your person is dealing with some legal issues or some work issues, legal work or visa issues, permits, they are going to find a relief there. So it will help in your love life, it will help in your relationship. I also feel, Scorpios, September will bring you a lot of clarity and breakthroughs in your relationship. You'll be like really clear about what you want, who you want, and up till now you might be a little confused which one to choose. Maybe you could be dealing with two people in your life, so you are a little confused. But, or you are like the person is not contacting you, the situation is at pause, so you don't know what to do about it. But clarity will be there in September. I also feel a very happy occasion will be coming to you in September. Maybe this person is going to take action towards you. You both are going to meet, have some lovey-dovey time together. So I feel something exciting will happen regarding your relationships. A wish come true moment for you, aha moment for you, Scorpios, in the month of September. And but I also feel that right after the happy days you might also feel a little challenged, because I think like as soon as the relationship starts to get better, the mid of September things are again going to get back to the usual, or like the person may withdraw a little or you may withdraw from the relationship a little. So you there is this energy of pause, there is this energy of fight. Let us take a clarifier and just clarify the nine of rods, please. You might become a little defensive. I don't know why. See the Knight of Cups. And again, the situation, your person may get busy with work, or they may get very defensive about the relationship. You will be like offering love to this person. You will be like, hey, it was perfect. What happened? But you are waiting for them. They are not here, they are fighting again, or they are keeping you waiting. Maybe your relationship will be affected by career or money issues, so that is also there. But I feel like suddenly after this happy moment and the happy start of September, in the mid of September, things can become defensive and things can become slow in the relationship. And you might feel like you are the only person handling this relationship, the other person isn't doing a lot, or you are again waiting and waiting and like thinking and thinking and like what's going on. But I feel the person, things will get better again at the end, or from the mid to the end of September, things will get better for you again. The Six of Cups, someone from your past could be returning back. A lot of love, affection, romance. I also feel people which are living near you or which you have studied with are important for you in the month of September, like people you study with or people you have worked with or people from your neighborhood. I also feel that in the beginning of the month, I mean, like you may get a clarity about a relationship and you may get options in a relationship, like two people are coming your way, so you will have some options in your relationships. And at the end of the month you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or throughout September you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or a Capricorn. I see a lot of Capricorn, Virgo energy, so maybe they are a Capricorn or Virgo. So at the end of the month, I feel like this person will again come back and they want to fix things out, and they say they miss you, they really miss you, they want you now. And but I feel like this person could be your twin flame or someone you are married with, or someone you both may be married to someone else, but you are twin flame, so you just can't break this connection. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. I also feel like, September is like, at the end of September, you might get a little upset with this person. If they refuse to change their behavior, the start of the month is excellent, excellent, brilliant for you. Never seen a better start for anyone else. But from the mid of September, things start to get slow again. And by the time you finish off September, you might walk away from this person, because if they keep doing the same things again and again, they keep making you wait, you are not going to settle for that. Because Scorpios, you have other options, you have this caring connection, and you have a secret admirer, you have Archangel Samuel with you, the angel of love. So you are like, yes, again the Page of Rods. If they behave very immaturely or like a child and they make you wait and they don't care for you, oh my god, Scorpios, you are going to surprise this person by a U-turn, and you're like, bye bye, bye bye, I'm gonna see you later. So call me maybe, call me maybe, but bye for now. So you are very powerful, Scorpios, my god. If you're already married, you could be dealing with some issues, tough issues in the month of September, but happiness is going to come. You will try to fix this marriage, and if try to fix things, maybe a celebration or something will happen. But again, if your person is, if the past issues come back, you may walk away from them, or you may just decide to take some space, from your lover. Two of Pentacles. Yeah, you will be, there will be other people also for you in September. So you will have choices. So you are like, I have plenty. Why should I care? I'm sorry to say that it's not the right thing to say, but yeah, you'll be busy, busy with work, busy in life, busy in learning new things. So if someone is keeping you waiting, you don't have the time because you are busy, you have other things to do. So let's see. That's for your September. Let's see some advice for you. Let's do that. And then I'm gonna pull some love messages. Although it's quite a lovey-dovey reading for you, let's see some advice. Advice for Scorpios. Wow. Advice for Scorpios for the month of September. Strategy number 21. I told you, friends, this is your month of planning. This is your month of deciding what you really want, who you really want, where you want to go, because of lot of things are coming, not just in your love, but work and career and education. So plan ahead, plan right now what you really want, what kind of partner you want, and also if you are in a relationship, what you want there to happen. Because September is like all your wishes coming true. It's like your magical month. Your wishes coming true. So you have to plan right now. And also you have to you have choices in love, communications, people. Also, someone from your past is strategizing how to win you back. They are like, they are trying to attract you, catch a fish. They are like trying to catch Scorpios. They don't know how, but because you are smart, you are very smart in September, Scorpios. Let's see your love messages for Scorpios for the month of September. I love this reading. I had fun doing this reading. Children are affecting your love life. So if you're married, definitely you want to expand family or find someone you can marry. Or maybe you're affected by your age, if you're a woman, even if you're a man. Children are an issue in your love life. I also feel your inner child, that also needs some pampering. You need to pamper yourself in September. No matter who does what, who doesn't do anything, I'm here for you. Magic Men's Tarot, our entire community is here for you to pamper. I know you all pamper each other so much with your happy birthdays and affection, love, which you all share on each other. Thumbs up for you, friends. Thumbs up. Keep doing that, especially in 2020. Much needed. Way to go, friends. You are more supporting than I have ever imagined. Anything else for Scorpios for September? Flirt. Oh my God. Friends, I don't see you doing anything else in September other than flirting, having a great month. You deserve it, Scorpios. You absolutely deserve it. Flirt, extend your light-hearted energy to each other. Enjoy, be like a child, do things which make you happy. Plan, but let your guard down, share yourself. Have fun. I think you will be having new friends or new people coming your way. So it's gonna be fun. And let's see other extra messages. Goldfish. Oh, wow. That's interesting. Please don't fly off the table. It's really tough picking them up. That's my wish, when I'm reading. I'm like, don't fly off the table. Oh, fair man, dealings or relationships with a man with blonde, gray, or white hair. So maybe you will be dealing with a man who is very fair complexioned or with lighter colored hairs like brown. Maybe they have written white, but I would say it might be brown because that's what I feel. Brown hairs, blonde hairs, light brown, dark brown hairs. Someone very fair complexioned, man or a woman. Boat, money or property. through an inheritance, winning, or windfall. My God, friends, money is coming your way. It could be coming, and I think that's what you are planning for. Plan now what you want. Make your wish list, friends. Make your wish list and get ready. Yes, money or property through an inheritance. So you could be getting money through proper inheritances, lotteries, or just like extra money pouring for you. Frying pan, trouble, and accusations. Yeah, I do see mid of the month there can be trouble in relationships, like, judgments and all those kind of things. Goldfish, increase in material wealth or spiritual growth. Yeah, absolutely. Spiritually, you are growing, Scorpios. It's a scintillating month for you, September, in spiritually, emotionally. Fire, strong emotions, passionate, love or hate. Oh my God. I told you this is exactly how your month is, Scorpios. You either love them or you hate them. So I love you like I hate you. So you go and check that out. I don't know if you know that song. It's a very funny song, but yeah. I mean, you have love, you have passion, you have dreams coming true, you have make your wishes, you have flirt. Can you ask for a better month? I don't think so. So make sure if you enjoyed this reading, subscribe our channel Magic Wednesday, like this video. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. And if you want to buy a personal reading for September or any other readings, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com and join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday. This is Mystic C saying bye.